వారాహి సిల్క్స్ వారి గ్రాండ్ ఫెస్టివ్ సెలబ్రేషన్స్ పొందండి 10,000 రూపాయలు ఆపై కొనుగోలుపై బంగారు నాణెం ఉచితంగా.
Go great. It's a great initiative, sir. You've been always supportive doing for social awareness about this. How you got inspired, getting associated with this big initiative?
People taking this initiative itself is an initiative for us. That's a support. It's a thing which anybody and everybody should care for. So when I heard about it and when he asked me to do it, I was supposed to be in Dubai, but I thought I should be here.
Wow.
And we should do it.
And what about the sports, sir? You are love for sports. I can see that on the field.
It's totally zero in that, but yeah, I can do this for the cause.
But what a kind of a sports person you are? What kind of sports you love when you're free to make yourself fit?
I chill, I bum, that's it.
But otherwise, in your daily routine?
No, I don't.
You don't play anything, sir?
No.
From your childhood, any sport love for that?
No.
Nothing. And how you're so handsome and fit all the time? We want to know that.
It's genes, yeah.
Nothing like that. It's a happiness also which you spread across today, we saw.
I'm getting so much love from so many people, yes. That works.
I mean, you can talk about something biopic we heard, and in sports, you've been always inspiring people. Any biopic you would love to do it, you can say about that?
Yeah, I would love to do it.
On the sports, if comes something else?
Yes, for sure.
Okay, and any message you can give to all the viewers who can get collaborated with something comes on like this?
Have a heart, guys.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, ma'am, your association, I've been seeing it's a great initiative. How you got associated and got you inspired about this, getting associated with that?
Of course, there was no question about whether to associate with this cause or not. It is definitely a yes. Dr. Vijayanand Garu invited me. I mean, I was informed about this Cure Foundation just before doctor called me, and I was definitely inspired. And then I wanted to say an immediate yes. But then I wanted to make sure the work commitment and everything just goes the right way. And then I'm very happy that I'm here.
So I just wanted to know, ma'am, as you were playing, you were so enthusiastic. You were not leaving it. You keep trying. I like that enthusiasm. So keep trying is your motivation or what?
Yes, I think that's the whole point. I always enjoy the process of anything. It is never to be, to be perfect or anything, but I would just love to give.
Keep trying.
Yeah, keep trying.
Keep trying.
Yeah.
That's the spirit.
Yeah.
And we want to know sports. What sports lover you are. From your childhood you were playing and you want to actually tell people keep going on, sports makes you fit.
So fitness is non-negotiable. I would say everybody needs to find their own way in which you remain fit or do your physical movement. I love cricket. I love football. And the closer that I am to any activity in terms of, of course I work out a lot, I love weight training, but I love horseback riding. That's the way, that's one thing I really enjoy a lot.